And there's one more piece of aerial footage that I wanted to show. This is a drone, I believe, that was operated from Chinese territory. This, I think, is it's hard to tell. This is a secondary landslide here. I think this region here where there's still like dust in the air in the background, I think that is the primary zone of the glacier and the mountain collapse. Um, so it's actually difficult to get a sense of scale here because it is so incredibly vast. But unless I am mistaken, this right here is a boulder that is itself perhaps 100 feet tall. That's like a multi-story building that may have been moved in this geologic mass wasting event. So this I haven't been able to verify exactly where it is, but I think what we're seeing here is this is the original catastrophic glacier collapse and mountain flow. And I think it went from camera right to camera left. So I think what happened was this material flew down slope, and this is the run up on the other side. This is hundreds of feet. This is maybe close to 1,000 feet vertically on this side. This sloshed over. I think this is essentially a glacial sill, except that it developed over about a 5-minute period. I think this is essentially what the remnants of the glacier moved before they scraped downhill. I don't think this entire 200 or 300 foot little hill was there a few days ago. So it's a little bit difficult to tell. I think there'll be some more imagery later. But I mean, I think this gives you a sense is this massive mountain and glacier collapse, the run up on the other mountain, it flows into this river, it pulverizes the ice, it becomes liquid water, it mixes with gigantic house-sized boulders and just moves downstream, affecting, tens of thousands of people probably.